Hello, fellow pet lovers. How in the world are you? Today we're going to talk about raising puppies. Hello, folks. It's me, Dr. B. Today I have a special treat for you. I'm going to share with you a litter of puppies that, these film sequences were taken over a period of, let's say, 3 to 10 days, the first 3 to 10 days of their life. There's one little boy and 2 little girls, and none of them actually are very little at this point. The boy is blue. He's the one on the left. Strike that. He's the one on the right. There's a little green girl, and there's one we're calling pink, but on these videos the ribbon color seems to come out more white than pink. She's the one with the most white on her face. So you can sit back and enjoy some of the activities that they're having during this first week. Their eyes are not open yet. They're navigating by sound and vibration and their nose on how to find their mother. But I alluded to the fact that they weren't particularly small. Mother is an experienced mother, and her milk came in very quickly. And enough milk to feed an army, if you'll pardon that expression. So they're nursing very well and gaining weight very well. And you can see in a lot of the sequences when they're with their mother, there's only 1 or 2 with mom, and the other 2 are sleeping. They're hungry and, they're not hungry and full and not that interested in anything but taking another nap.
The little one behind now thinks it's time for
I trust you're enjoying these as much as I had watching them, and then eventually putting them together for you.
The other 2, well, the one on the upper right just gonna sleep and twitch. Good girl, baby girl. Yes, you are. Very cute little girl. Yeah, clean them up.
Good girl. What a good girl. Yes, very nice. Very cool. It's a nice profile for you, huh? Yeah. Okay. Very nice, very relaxed. So they're no longer curled up like commas. They're kind of stretched out and comfortable. That means, or indicates, that they're flexing a little twitching, normal puppy twitching. But like we were talking about, they're extended and not curled up like commas. When they're born, for the first few days, their flexor tone is the dominant neurologic pattern. And now that's changed to the extensor tone as the predominant pattern. This one's just, I don't know if he's dreaming or just kind of stretching or beginning to try to frolic. This little buddy over here is waking up or doing the same thing in his sleep. And you're so fat and big, you don't want to stay on the blanket, you like it on the cool tile. You're already an overheated Bernese Mountain Dog. Good girl.
You're gonna wake up, maybe.
Can you Probably gonna fall back asleep. Oh, there was a step. Kind of like learning how to ride a bike. You need a couple training wheels. Yeah, you need some exercise. You're too fat. There's my mama. Wow, look at me. I found her. I'm so cute. Oh, hi, mama. Your paw's in the road of my picture, you know that? I don't care. Kind of tight in there. Yeah, their eyes are so close. Your nose.
So, until next time, it's me, Dr. B, signing off. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and share it with your friends. And subscribe so you won't miss the next installment and we can stay in touch. Have a great puppy day.